We're starting with a matte top coat. This helps the brush glide better for the next step. Now take your one-stroke brush and load it with black and white gel. Start creating soft petals, black at the base, white at the tip. Have you tried one stroke before? If not, this is your sign to try it. I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and left a comment. Your support means so much and helps me keep creating more amazing content for you. Use a liner brush to lightly outline the petal edges. It makes them look more real. Now let's paint a few black leaves around the flower. It adds contrast. Using gold metallic gel, add a few shiny lines for a luxe finish. Seal the whole look with a glossy top coat. And that's it, a glam floral design with gold vibes. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cute nail ideas.